Lifting Israeli siege to halt Gaza attacks, analyst. Israel PM seeks to build 300 settler homes after attack. Turkish troops to enter east of Euphrates very soon. Efforts ongoing for Turkey-US patrol in Syria's safe zone. Iraq's Hassan Shabi blames Israel for drone attack. Twin bomb blast kills at least 2 in Somali capital. Saudi and UAE reiterates Yemen war cooperation. Iran sends warship to Gulf of Aden amid tension. Algeria Islamic Party refuses to meet dialogue panel. Top US peace envoy reiterates support for Afghan forces. Leader of Sri Lanka Islamic Party arrested. India's Modi tells Trump Kashmir is under control.